How to use Rave app with your friends. In order to do that, you may follow up this step. So download the Rave app and open it on your phone. After that, you may go ahead and create an account for yourself. And once that is done, what you can do next in order to add friends is, at the top of the interface, you should be finding friends option. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, in the search bar, you may go ahead and type in the friend's username that you would like to add. Just go ahead and type in. After that is done, what you will be finding is you will be finding the add button. Just go ahead and click on it. After that, you can go ahead and wait for the friend to accept your request. Once your friend is added, what you can do is you may select a video from Rave application. You may select the video that you would like to watch together, and in the bottom we will be finding different options. You may look for different options available. You can use those options in order to mention your friend in that chat, or you can also share it. So that is basically how you use the application and decide what you want to watch together using the Rave application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.